Guys, we got on the bus tour. Good morning. So for breakfast we have croissant wedge.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good
And hash
morning.
brown. Good morning.
Yeah.
Mira likes hers separate, but the boys are having it together. Good morning. So today we're on our way to Montgomery Falls. So all the kiddies are loaded up. Seaweed chips.
Mommy, where are we going?
We're going to the falls.
We're going to the farm.
Yeah. Beautiful, guys, look at that. We just had to quickly give the kiddos some sunblock because the sun is sunning. The sun is sunning. Guys, we're going to the observation deck and we are beat.
on the sandwich, no cheese, no sauce.
Yeah, next.
May I also have, can I just have a slice of cheese on a hamburger bun?
What?
Slice of cheese on a hamburger bun?
Bread.
In the fish?
No, not on the fish, separate.
Just on the hamburger?
Yeah, just the bread. Just bread and cheese, that's it.
Okay, bread and cheese.
Yeah.
Just a second. Yeah, next.
Yeah, perfect. May I also have a quarter pounder combo? What drink?
Coke.
Just a second.
With cheese?
Oh yeah, it comes with it, no?
Quarter pounder with cheese.
Can you repeat
Which one?
the
Hamburger bun?
The bread?
yeah.
Just the bread and cheese. No meat, no nothing. Just bread and cheese.
Do the next.
Pardon?
Google Translate.
What's next?
Quarter pounder with cheese.
In combo.
Yes, please.
The drink.
Coke.
Next.
Filet of fish combo, please.
Yeah, next.
That's everything. Thank you.
Yeah, what is the drink, my bad?
Actually, with that filet of fish, yeah, for the drink, can I have Diet Coke, please?
Coke. Okay, you can go on the next window.
Okay, thank you.
Food in Quebec.
I want fries too.
Everything looks the same. It's McDonald's.
I feel like McDonald's is universal.
Universal, right? The bag is kind of white on the white side, but imagine this is our lunch. It's like 5 o'clock.
Hand me your sandwich.
Why?
Because then you can put it in here and have your fries.
Here you go. I bite it.
That's okay. Oh, you gotta hold it properly with both hands, sweetie.
Hey love, so it's a rainy day today.
Go to the concert.
And we can you guys hear me? I hope you guys can hear me. We got some food. We're at an indoor amusement park for the kiddies. We just stopped to get some food. I'm getting ill, my voice is on and off. I'll show them in a minute. So we just got some Chinese. The girls, well, I got Chinese, Mira and the boys. T is gonna get some Portuguese food, and then I'm gonna show you guys inside. So Amira, what do you get to eat? You got noodles and shrimp. Yeah, we'll have, when we get up we'll show them. So anyways guys, let me show you guys the food and we're gonna grab. How was it, Bubba? You didn't like it? Why?
Sliding down, going down, I'm sure it's going down, I'm going down, flipping around, I'm down.
Some treats. The kiddos are sharing. This is my first time. What is it called? Beaver tail. Good morning.
Good morning, Auntie.
Good morning, lovely. So we are in Old Quebec or Quebec City? Old Quebec. We're in Old Quebec City today. We're gonna do a tour of the place. I have no voice. I'm ill, so I'll probably let Tavy take over the vlog today.
Pardon?
We're gonna do a nice tour just to see everything, all the buildings. Hopefully we're trying to get on the bus tour so we can just drive around the whole city and have a look. So yeah, let's enjoy some scenery. Guys, we got on the bus tour.
Parce que tous les matins, les visiteurs se rencontrent dans le temple à notre gauche. Tu vas regarder les
and then yeah, let's have the burger. What comes on it?
It's inside. It's gonna be some lettuce with cheese and
Okay, yeah, that's fine. And what type of chips? Just regular?
yeah, regular fries.
Yeah. So right now we're trying to decide what to get in terms of cocktails. Everything has English translation underneath, and pretty much everybody speaks English. Sorry? Do you know what? I think it's just where we're down in the valley because it's super sunny everywhere else. Thank you. Appetizer. So they gave us pancakes. It's kind of cool that they have those here. It's so nice and cozy under here. We're having cuddles in Quebec. Cuddles in Quebec. Cuddles in Quebec. Is this city amazing? What's your favorite part? The big buildings.
The bill?
You love the buildings. Did you love the bus tour?
The bill? Oh!
And what? Eat it.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Not nice?
No.
Alright. Let's go.